built this gate with these two doors. It was easy and affordable. I'm gonna show you how I did it.
Yeah, so I'll probably see you in like 20, 30 minutes.
Okay.
But Jim's here if you need anything.
All right. Getting a little more creative. Yeah, this fence post is probably 10, 15 years old, and everyone always bitches about it. You're not supposed to put the post directly into the concrete. It's going to rot out even if it's pressure treated, and it looks pretty darn good for as old as it is and as how wet and as wet as this ground is. So this fence post is going to be 6 feet tall. So I dug down 2 feet to accommodate a 8-foot 4x4. I'm just going to cement that in, and then I think I'm going to scab it onto this one. So we'll have one gate here centered, the other one here with a 4x4 post. And there's a bit of a pitch. It goes downhill right here, so I might have to even that out. We'll see. Not bad. That'll work. Got the post in place, ready for concrete. Man, I hope we don't need 3 bags.
Oh yeah.
I'm thinking 2.5. So I waited overnight and for this concrete to harden up. Looking good. Just gonna take off the supports and start building the rest of the gate. So I got the gates on and they're looking nice, but I'm still getting, this is still kind of loose, even though I got this attached to the wall. I really need to get into a stud, which is right over here. So I'm gonna try to fabricate something that is a little unconventional, but I think it might work. So I got this piece cut. It's gonna go right here. This is a 60-degree angle. This was 31. This is my stud. So I'm gonna secure a structure screw right into here and then another one into here, and that's gonna keep this post from wobbling and moving all around. Because it's not great right now. There. You need a uniform spacer, like for these fencing boards here that I'm starting. A quick little tip, get yourself a drill bit. In this case, this one is 1/8 of an inch. And it's uniform and it's fit right there. You don't have to rely on a shim or make something. It's just it's a quick thing that everyone has in their toolbox and you can use it. Just